morning, everyone. I'm going to be making cookie dough dip that's for apples. I was gifted some apples and I wanted to make a dip to use for them. I've got me 1 block of cream cheese. I'm making mine sugar-free or no added sugar. And we'll use these sugar-free chocolate chips. They're made with monk fruit. And then I'm also going to be using my Swerve brown sugar. You can use regular. If you want to make it regular and you don't want to make it sugar-free, just use the regular brown sugar and the regular chocolate chips. And then I'm going to use some vanilla. So to get started, I'm going to add my cream cheese to the bowl. I hope everybody's doing well today. It's a beautiful day outside. It's in the 60s. It's my kind of weather. Okay, I've got my block of cream cheese and it's softened. I'm gonna turn my mixer on and kind of now to this, I want to add a 1/4 of a cup of the Swerve brown sugar or a 1/4 of a cup of the regular brown sugar. And I just want to cream these two together. Now at this point, I want to taste it to see if it has enough sugar in it, if it's sweet enough. Because if it's not, I can always add some more. No, it's just right. That is delicious. Just like that. Okay, now I'm going to add a splash of vanilla. And then I'm going to go ahead and mix it up some more. Okay, now I've got a 1/4 of a cup of those sugar-free chocolate chips made with monk fruit. I got a 1/4 of a cup of those. And stuck in there. And now I want to blend them up. I think I need to add another 1/4 of a cup of those. I don't think that's enough. I'll go ahead and add some more. So it's going to end up being a 1/2 a cup of those. Look how good that looks. there it is. There's my apple dip. It's a chocolate chip cookie dough dip for my apples or any other kind of fruit that you would like. I'm gonna try it. I wanna make sure I get some of that chocolate chips. Don't that look good? That tastes just like chocolate chip cookie dough. Oh, I hope y'all give that a try. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you have a great day. Stay safe out there. Thank you.